Hi, I'm Dan and we're going to take this fantastic Range Rover Evoque HSE for a little test drive. Car fires up very nicely, turn the dial round into drive and away we go. So we do these test drive videos to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car fired up very nicely, pulled away very well as well, so the gearbox feels really good. The suspension's riding the bumps on this country road very nicely, brakes feel good, steering feels nice, so the car is driving spot on as it should. It's a really lovely car to drive, as you can imagine, with it being a Land Rover. Really great forward visibility, really nice driving position, and on this model you got loads of great specification. So you've got the panoramic roof on this one, lets in loads of light. It's got an electric sun blind as well. You've got the really large widescreen multimedia system with everything on it really. So you've got the sat nav on display at the moment, you've got DAB radio as well as FM, AM and CD player. You've got a USB port, and of course you've got the all-important Bluetooth, hands-free and audio streaming. Also got front and rear parking sensors, reversing camera on there as well. Dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have it at a different temperature to the driver should they wish. Heated front seats, really nice leather multifunction steering wheel with the Gearshift Paddles as well, should you want to manually take over the gearbox. Automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, so the list goes on and on. But the thing I like the most is this interior. Really lovely ivory leather, with the grey as well, and the grey carpets and the black carpet mats. I think it all goes together really very nicely indeed. I was going to show you that the car had plenty of power. It's got a lot more than this truck in front of us, so you have to take my word for that. But yeah, it drives really nicely. Only done 62,500 miles. Going to make a lovely car for somebody. Perhaps that might be you. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. You take care and bye for now.